Alright, here they come, folks. Pace is a little bit lighter than that last one, but it's not too bad at the moment. Amelia Harris got a great start out there. That's Talia Pitstock has just dropped us off right back to the back of the pack at the moment. In there for two, that's our 195 of Avalon Boylan. And then we got the 23 of Mackenzie Hadley. And then we have Indiana Hadley and Talia Pitstock battling for 4 and 5. But at the moment, this is Amelia Harris. She's broken away big time. She's got a half a berth in front of her, pants going nuts up there doing the official Castle Hill cheer squad all on her own. And then we got a 195 there of Avalon Boylan in there for two. Talia Pitstock has gone from 5 to 3, and then I'm not sure what's happened. She's just flipped it out and pulled up in front of one of the officials. I don't know what's going on. But Amelia Harris now will bring it home. And it'll be Avalon Boylan coming in there for two. Then there'll be the Hadley girls coming in there. Be fun in the Hadley household tonight, I tell you. Indiana and Mackenzie having a big fight for 3 and 4, and Talia Pitstock coming in for 5.